Every phone screen you've ever owned is weak. But inside this 2,000-degree factory, they're building something almost unbreakable. It's not glass, it's not plastic, it's synthetic sapphire, the same material used in luxury watches, military equipment, and possibly your next phone. It starts as powder, ultra-pure aluminum oxide, refined to near perfection. Then it's heated to over 2,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than molten lava. Slowly, over days, a single crystal begins to grow. Perfect, flawless, massive. What comes out isn't a sheet of glass, it's a solid sapphire cylinder weighing hundreds of kilos. Sapphire is so hard that only diamonds can cut it. A diamond wire, thinner than a string, slices the crystal into razor-thin sheets. One small mistake, one vibration, and the entire piece shatters. Then comes the hardest part, polishing a material that barely wants to be shaped. Before it reaches a phone, it survives brutal testing. Drops, pressure, impact. Keys can't scratch it. Coins can't mark it. Even steel struggles. But here's the problem. Sapphire resists scratches better than glass, but it's not invincible. It's expensive, difficult to manufacture, and far harder to mass-produce than traditional glass. Today, sapphire protects some of the most expensive watches in the world because nothing scratches it. It's used in military optics, aerospace components, and high-impact environments where failure isn't an option. So the question is, when will it protect every phone? Because inside this 2,000-degree factory, they're not just making glass, they're manufacturing the future of durability.
If you enjoyed this process, like the video and subscribe for more documentaries like this.